How to sync Google Calendar with iPhone in 2024. To sync it, simply open up settings on your iPhone and then scroll all the way down and then go for apps and look for mail. Open up the mail app, open it up, and then here select the mail accounts here. So now what you're going to do is hit on add account to add your Gmail account. So click on add account and then select Google. And then now what you have to do is simply log in with your Google account credentials, your Gmail credentials. So just log in with that. So once you've logged in, once you've plugged in your credentials, hit on sign into iOS. Okay. And then here you can just do the basic setup. So you can just click on select. Okay. Hit on continue. And then you're almost done with setting up, and that's it. So you're almost done here. So when you get to this section here, so what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that this calendar switch is turned on. So simply turn that on. So just make sure once you have logged in, just make sure that the calendar button here is turned on, and all you have to do is hit on save, and that's it. Your account is now added. So if you open up your calendar app here, you will see that all your Google Calendar will be synced here, and that's pretty much it is.